So in this video, I will guide you how you can backup TonKeeper wallet recovery phrase. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So let's start by opening up our TonKeeper application and make sure that you have selected your right wallet. If not, click on add wallet and make sure to sign in with your new wallet. Now once you are in, click on settings on the top right and you will have the option of backup, which is on the top of your tokens. Now once you click on the backup, this is going to show you something like this, which is backup manually. Now remember, when you click on it, this is going to give you some details on the description, like never enter your recovery phrase any other place than TonKeeper to access your wallet. TonKeeper support never asks for the recovery phrase. Everybody with your recovery phrase can access your wallets. So you need to keep these points in mind and then click on the continue option. Then you need to enter the passcode of your TonKeeper wallet, and then this is going to take you to your recovery phrase. Now make sure to write these 24 digits names on your paper or anything that is offline device. I recommend you to do not enter it on your mobile device or take a screenshot, because it can get stolen and at the same time you can lost access to your wallet. So make sure to write down on your paper or anything that is not online. Then click on check backup on the bottom and you need to simply enter the 5, 13 and 14, or in your case it can be different. Simply enter the name that is showing up. I'm gonna click on the done option, and as you can see, we have successfully backed up our TonKeeper wallet recovery phrase.